Here's our new PermaShield sliding glass door. The installers did a good job installing it. I had it done in about 3 hours, taking the old one out, putting the new one in. Our old door, we could see daylight down here, and it would swing open, and all of our baby toys would make it difficult to open the door. Now we just slide the door. From the outside, looks great. I don't have any issues with the installers. I think they did a great job. They did it in a timely manner, and they kept the house very clean. And we even had babies taking a nap while they were here installing the door. We're still waiting on our screen door. They said that was in back order, so it'd be nice to have that screen door pretty soon. But overall, very happy with the job that they did.